Trying to please everyone is a recipe for stress, misery, and frustration. Rick Warren. If you've ever found yourself exhausted and overwhelmed trying to make everyone happy, this video is for you. Today's topic affects many of us more than we realize: people pleasing. Do you know that there's a fine line between pleasing people and loving people? And crossing that line can lead to significant emotional and psychological harm. Let's explore the differences and understand the dangers of being a people pleaser. Let's start by defining people pleasing. People pleasing is the act of putting others' needs and desires before your own, often at the expense of your own well-being. It's about seeking approval and validation from others, sometimes even sacrificing your own values and beliefs. Loving people, on the other hand, involves genuine care and respect for others, while also maintaining a healthy balance with your own needs and boundaries. When you love someone, you don't abandon your own well-being to make them happy. You support them, but not at the cost of your own happiness. The danger of people-pleasing lies in its impact on your mental health. According to a study published in the Journal of Social and Clinical Psychology, individuals who habitually prioritize others' needs over their own are more likely to experience anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. By constantly seeking approval from others, you place your self-worth in their hands, making it unstable and unreliable. Imagine trying to fill everyone's cup while yours is empty. It's impossible. Eventually, you'll burn out. People-pleasing can lead to chronic stress and exhaustion because you're continuously trying to meet others' expectations, which can be incredibly draining. Here are some key differences between people-pleasing and loving people. 1. People-pleasers often lack boundaries, saying yes to everything, while those who love genuinely set and respect personal limits. 2. People-pleasers seek approval and avoid conflict, whereas loving people act out of compassion and mutual respect. 3. People-pleasers often sacrifice their own needs, while loving people understand that self-care is essential to maintaining healthy relationships. It's important to understand that it's okay to say no. Saying no doesn't make you a bad person. It means you value your time and energy. When you prioritize your own needs, you become more capable of loving and supporting others genuinely. In the words of Brené Brown, daring to set boundaries is about having the courage to love ourselves even when we risk disappointing others. Setting boundaries is a courageous act of self-love. It shows that you respect yourself enough to prioritize your well-being. Here are 3 steps to break free from the cycle of people-pleasing. 1. Self-awareness. Recognize when you're acting out of a desire to please others rather than from genuine care. Ask yourself, am I doing this because I want to or because I feel I have to? 2. Set boundaries. Learn to say no when necessary. Start small and gradually build your ability to set clear and respectful boundaries. 3. Practice self-care. Prioritize activities that nurture your physical, emotional, and mental health. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. The journey to overcoming people-pleasing is about reclaiming your sense of self-worth and understanding that you are valuable just as you are. You don't need external validation to prove your worth. In fact, true fulfillment comes from within. Remember, loving others doesn't mean losing yourself. It means showing up as your authentic self with your own needs and boundaries intact. If you found this message insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this wisdom. Together, we can support each other in the journey towards self-love and genuine connections. Cheers to well-being, and see you next time.